Marami talagang nagulat dun sa top VIP na August class namin because yung form ngayon, for August class na siya. Pero lahat sila na-sendan pa din namin ng invite dun sa lahat ng ongoing classes ngayon. And because of that, parang nagulat sila na, teka, paano ako pupunta sa Slack? Paano ako pupunta sa classroom? Paano ako pupunta sa Discord? Hindi ko nagigets. That is because hindi pa talaga simula nung pinakang sessions namin. And normally, meron kaming launch session. Pero yung mga interesado ng umattend ng trainings ngayon, para makita lang nila kung ano yung feeling ng uma-attend ng mga classes ng weekends, nagsimula na kami i-invite sila. Hi, my name is Mary. I post easy to follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. Everyday napopost ako ng mga bagong videos na pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap, kung gusto nyo maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ang computer at internet. And if you guys are looking to transition sa freelancing this year, hindi pa kayo sure kung anong niche, or hindi pa lang kayo sure kung anong pwede nyo i-offer na service, and you're considering na perhaps top VIP, which is yung may all access pa sa lahat ng trainings namin ang para sa inyo, then listen to this. Again, yung form po namin for top VIP, 1,999 pesos siya. All access pa sa lahat ng classes namin. August na siya. Meaning, August pa talaga yung start nung actual na class. Doon pa lang namin i-introduce sa inyo si Slack, si Discord, si VIP Classroom, and all of those things. But meron na kasing mga nag-enroll for August. And ang bilis nga talagang mapuno. So, nagsisend na kami ng invite. And the VIPs for August pa are welcome to attend any trainings na magkakaroon ngayong June at July. Pero ang tawag namin doon is sit-in. When you say sit-in, hindi pa kayo talagang active na magtatap sa ganitong internship, ganyan. Kung trip nyo at nakakasunod naman kayo, okay lang. Pero kung hindi, medyo naguguluhan kayo, magla-launch pa lang talaga tayo. So, August pa yon. I-introduce namin isa-isa. But if you feel that, perhaps this would be a good chance for you to start na, slowly but surely na nafa-familiarize mo na yung sarili mo sa iba't ibang roles at niche na pwede mong pag-applyan. Pwede na po kayo mag-join sa Top VIP. Again, Top VIP, all access pass. Access siya sa lahat ng classes namin for 1 whole year. Meron din kayong one-on-one coaching with me. Madalas yung usap natin in terms of your progress because the goal is if kaya at if may grit at may passion talaga yung tao, towards the end of the year, you should be outsourcing already. And when I say outsourcing, yung maayos na pag-outsource. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-start ng inyong sariling mini agencies using whatever you have learned so far dun sa mga trainings na pinoprovide namin dito sa Blogging Mary Group at sa Top Remote Worker. If you guys are interested to join, i-click nyo lang tong link sa profile ko. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, i-click nyo lang to. Kung nasa Facebook ko naman kayo, i-check nyo yung caption. At kung nasa YouTube ko kayo, i-check nyo lang yung description box. You guys will then be taken to this form. Pagka-click nyo ng Top VIP, automatic pupunta kayo dun sa form. If hindi pa kayo nakalogin sa Gmail nyo, it will ask you to log in. But you will see there a form. Nandun ang lahat ng coverage ng Top VIP class namin. Again, this one is for 1,999 pesos only. And all access pass na siya sa lahat ng classes na meron kami. Including the paid ones, including those na may internship, including yung mga ila-launch pa lang na classes this coming July and August. And you guys will also have progressive coaching meetings with me. Coachings, meetings, bahala na kayo kung anong trip nyo. So far, okay naman yung progress namin. Nakita namin na yung mga nag-start nung December, January is medyo may mabagal, may nagka-catch up, merong naiiwan. That is because iba-iba yung learning phase natin. Because the goal of the program is to make sure na naka-tailor fit talaga sa individual progress ng mga top VIP, yung kanilang progreso, yung kanilang pag-aaral at yung coaching. Iba-iba talaga, hiwa-hiwalay. Meron kayong team, may group, may body, at saka may one-on-one. So, ganun ka-intense yun. If kayo guys ay interesado na mag-freelancer pero hindi nyo alam kung saan magsisimula, although alam nyo naman sa sarili nyo na gusto nyo na talaga to, then Top VIP is for you. Feeling ko June, July pa lang magko-close na yung class ng August and wala kaming i-open for September because buwan ng pahinga yon. If you guys are interested to join, i-check nyo na kagad yung link na yon. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!